Hello everyone, welcome back. In this session we would learn how to solve the practice problem Inorder Traversal. So before solving the question we need to understand the basics of Inorder Traversal. So let's understand that. Okay, so over here let's start. So basically Inorder works as left node, then you need to write or basically go to root node, then at the last you need to go to the right node. Okay, so let's say I have an example 3, 1 and 2. Okay, so basically first I need to go to the left node, that is 3. So first it would be 3. Then I need to go to the root node, so that is 1. So 3, 1. Finally I need to go to the right node, that is 2. So over here it would be 3, 1, 2, and this is the Inorder Traversal. I hope the question is clear to you. Now let's move forward to the solution. What you need to do is you need to go to the practice portal. In practice portal, in the difficulty, choose basic. Okay, then find the problem Inorder Traversal. Once you find the problem, click on solve. Okay, so let's solve it. Here is the question. Let's read it. 1 minute. Given a binary tree, find the Inorder Traversal of it. Okay, I hope the question is clear to you, and we need to code it over here. Okay, so let's code it. Okay, 1 minute. Enter. Okay, first I need to check if it's root or not. Okay, if not root, okay, then colon, enter, then I can just return. Okay, after this, otherwise I am declaring a empty list. Okay, equal to list, enter. Okay, first in the list I need to add the left nodes, right? So res plus equal to self. Okay, self dot Inorder, okay, Inorder what? Inorder root dot left. Okay, enter. Okay, next is res dot append. Okay, what do I need to append? I need to append the root data. So root dot data. So basically first I added the left values, then I am adding the root data, right? Now enter. Finally, I need to add the data of the right side, right? So self dot Inorder, okay, Inorder, and over here it would be root dot right. Okay, then finally enter, and lastly I can just return with res. Now I need to check if it is correct or not, so I would click on compile and run. Let's wait. Okay, let's wait. Compilation is completed. My output is matching with the expected output. So now I would submit the given problem. Okay, let's wait. Problem is solved successfully, and this is how you solve the practice problem Inorder Traversal. I hope this video was helpful for you and you guys enjoyed it. If you guys have enjoyed the video, make sure you click on the like button and subscribe our channel. And thank you for joining me today. Thank you.